Remember those days, back in college, when ramen noodles were a luxury and every penny counted? You probably used Mint then, right? That sleek little app that helped you track your spending, budget, and even set financial goals. Well, get ready for a financial shakeup, because Mint is officially saying goodbye. But why? What's going on behind the scenes? And most importantly, what does this mean for you and your hard-earned cash? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we're diving deep into the reasons behind Mint's demise, exploring the potential fallout, and most importantly, helping you find the perfect replacement to keep your financial house in order. So, why is Mint, the once beloved budgeting app, getting the axe? The answer lies in a strategic shift by its parent company, Intuit. You see, Intuit is no longer as focused on personal finance tools as it once was. They're now doubling down on other areas, like small business software and tax preparation services. This shift in focus has led to a tough decision to sunset Mint and redirect resources elsewhere. While this might seem like a blow to personal finance enthusiasts, it's important to remember that Intuit is still committed to helping people manage their money. They're simply doing so through different avenues. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about my data? What about my budgets? What about my financial life? Fear not, my friends. Intuit has acknowledged the importance of a smooth transition. They're encouraging users to migrate their data to Credit Karma, another Intuit product with personal finance features. However, it's crucial to understand that Credit Karma isn't a direct replacement for Mint. While it offers credit monitoring and some budgeting tools, it doesn't have the same comprehensive features as Mint. For example, Credit Karma doesn't support as many bank connections, and its budgeting tools are more limited. But don't despair. The personal finance app market is booming. There are plenty of fantastic alternatives to Mint out there, each with its own unique strengths. Here are a few top contenders. Personal Capital. This powerful app offers comprehensive financial tracking, investment management, and retirement planning tools. It's a great choice for investors and those looking for a holistic approach to their finances. In-app. You Need a Budget. In-app takes a unique approach to budgeting, emphasizing giving every dollar a job. It's a powerful tool for those who want to take control of their spending and build a healthy financial foundation. Fudget. This user-friendly app focuses on simplicity and ease of use. It's perfect for those who want a straightforward budgeting experience without a steep learning curve. Money Dashboard. This UK-based app is gaining popularity worldwide. It offers a clean interface, excellent bank connectivity, and helpful insights into your spending habits. Pocket Guard. This app focuses on helping you identify and cut unnecessary expenses, such as subscriptions and hidden fees. It's a great tool for those looking to save money quickly. Offer practical advice for choosing the right replacement. Choosing the right budgeting app is a personal decision. Consider your specific needs and preferences. Do you prioritize investment tracking? Are you looking for a simple budgeting tool or a more advanced system? Do you want a free app or are you willing to pay for premium features? Before switching to a new app, it's crucial to prioritize data security. Make sure the app you choose has a strong track record of protecting user information. Look for features like two-factor authentication and encryption to safeguard your sensitive financial data. Don't let the demise of Mint derail your financial goals. Take this opportunity to explore the vast array of budgeting apps available and find the perfect fit for your needs. Remember, managing your finances effectively is crucial for achieving your financial dreams. Whether you choose Credit Karma, another app from our list, or something else entirely, the most important thing is to find a system that works for you and helps you stay on top of your money. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.